Lost or damaged the battery cable for your TomTom Rider GPS navigation device? Don't let a simple cable stop your ride. The original TomTom Rider Motorcycle GPS battery cable replacement keeps your device powered up by drawing energy directly from your bike. That means no interruptions, no worries, just seamless navigation on the road. This genuine TomTom accessory is designed specifically for the Rider series, including models 550, 550, 450, 420, 410, 400, 42, and 41. It taps into your motorcycle's power supply, so your GPS stays charged throughout your journey without needing to stop and recharge separately. That's convenience you can count on. Installing the battery cable is straightforward, but for the safest and most reliable setup, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. This ensures the cable connects properly without risking damage to your bike or device. Remember, to use this cable, you'll also need the TomTom Motorcycle GPS mount with the RAM mount system, which is sold separately. Many riders in the United States praise this cable for its quality and reliability. While some note that finding the right fasteners can be a bit tricky due to the cable's small gauge wire, the overall performance and durability make it a solid choice for keeping your GPS powered on the go. If you're serious about keeping your TomTom Rider GPS ready for every ride, replacing your battery cable with this original part is worth a look. It's a hassle-free way to stay connected and navigate confidently without worrying about your device running out of power. Ready to keep your TomTom Rider charged and ready? Make sure you have the right mount and consider professional installation to get the most from this genuine replacement battery cable. It's a smart upgrade for any rider who depends on their GPS every time they hit the road.